Hello guys, welcome to the third lesson of LinkedIn Marketing Hero. In this first lesson, we're going to talk about crafting your professional story. As we have discussed in the previous lessons, LinkedIn is a network for professionals, so you have to make sure that your LinkedIn profile is complete. It should show your journey as a professional from the time you have finished college to your job experiences until your present career. In your description, do not just copy-paste your skill, work experiences, or anything that you have included in your resume. Make it more interesting by personalizing the content so that readers will be able to learn about your story. Your story could contain the information about some answers to the questions such as how you started out in college, how you got interested in the field that you have chosen, what are your roles in the jobs that you have experienced in the past, what is your vision, and what do you want to achieve? By including some answers to these questions will make your description more personal and interesting to read. Crafting your professional story is talking about yourself, your journey, and your future. Not only do you have to complete your profile, but you have to be active in posting content on LinkedIn. In creating your posts, you should talk about what you love about your work, your learnings, your perspective, and all of these posts should be connected with the professional work that you do. Your post should be a complete narrative about yourself, so that people will know that you are working towards being an expert. When people are looking for someone with your expertise, they would instantly remember you and come to you for help. Now that you have learned these tips about crafting your professional story, it's time to proceed to the next topic, which is engaging and connecting with leaders in your niche. See you there! Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about engaging and connecting with leaders in your niche. Let's get started! Log into your LinkedIn account. To look for leaders in LinkedIn that you can connect with, first identify your niche. Search for that keyword related to your niche in your LinkedIn search bar. Choose to find that word in people, then browse from all the search results of your chosen niche. Check their profile and choose someone who has 500 plus connections. Then click Connect. As you may notice, this person and I have one mutual group. When we try to click more, then click Chat, LinkedIn will not allow us to directly message this person. So instead, click Connect. Then add a note saying that we want to connect since we are of the same field and have a mutual group. Then click Done. This shows our invitation to this person was sent and also a personalized note. Going back to their profile, the Connect button changed to Pending, so we have to wait until he accepts our invitation. You can also search in groups that you have joined since these groups have similar interests and niche. Browse the group and look for a post from someone who could be an expert at this niche. Click their profile and check their connections. It's recommended to choose someone with 500 plus connections. As you can see, this person have 500 plus connections. Let's go back to their post. Comment on their post. Thank them for that valuable content that they have posted. Then like their post. After that, you can connect with that person. Going back to their profile, you can see that the Connect button became a chat button. Let's click it. Compose a message. Then click Send. Keep on repeating this until your network grows. You don't have to do it one day. Just be consistent in doing this every day. You will notice that one day, your profile will display that you have 500 plus connections. Now that we're done with the topic, engaging and connecting with leaders in your niche, now it's time to proceed to the next topic, which is joining and communicating in groups. See you there! Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about joining and communicating in groups. Groups in LinkedIn have similar-minded people having the same interest or the same field of specialization. When you are a member of a group that is related to your work, you can engage within the members of the group as they could even give you tips or advice that could help you advance your career. When you're in a group of the same interests, you can also engage within the group by liking posts, posting comments on posts, and replying to comments of posts. By doing this, You will be seen by most of the members as an active individual in the group, giving valuable content to everyone. In this similar group, all of the members can network and help each other out. So let's get started. Log into your LinkedIn account. Go to your profile. You can use the search bar to browse groups. Find a group that you want to be a part of. Let's find a specific group related to our niche. Now click this. This shows us the search results for the keyword we searched for. Choose a group. You can view the section below, such as the About This group, to get a preview of what this group is made for. Also, keep in mind the rules that this group imposes in order to stay being a member and not get kicked out of the group for violating the rules. As you can see, this group has over 43,000 professionals in this group. It's important to know that these number of professionals can also be one of your potential new connections to expand your network. Click Request to join. As you can see, there's a pop-up window saying that you have successfully sent the request to join this group. If you suddenly change your mind, you can easily withdraw your request as you click this Withdraw Request button. When you're already part of a group, you will see posts that members have posted. You can find posts that you can engage with. Like the post. Comment on the post or reply to the comments of other members. This way, you will let yourself be known and seen active in the group. Have conversations with other members as they already know you by engaging in the group. Groups are a great way to find people and will help you build and expand your network. Now it's time to proceed to the next topic, building connections by engaging in other people's posts. See you there!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.